Welcome. In front of me is a CYRUS CS40, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's navigate into our settings. From here, scroll down to Storage. Choose your SD card at the bottom. From the SD card, tap on the three dots, go to Settings, where you'll find Format. Tap on it, and in here you'll get a message. Not performing this will remove all the data from it, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently, obviously. Now, assuming you have already done it, or you don't really care for it, tap on Erase and Format, the process will begin. And it's a fairly quick one, it should be right about done. There we go, tap on Done, and you're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.